Struggling with a suppressed search on Amazon? Here's how to get it resolved in a few simple steps. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to contact the right team at Amazon to get this resolved fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Step one is to actually see if your listing is suppressed. So there's two different ways to see if your listing is suppressed. Way number one is to go into your manage inventory on Amazon. You're going to go to inventory, manage all inventory, and you're simply going to go to listing status and click search suppressed. If it shows this, it's search suppressed, right? But sometimes it doesn't show that it's actually search suppressed. And what you want to do is copy the ASIN, and then you're going to go to Amazon as if you were a buyer, and then you're going to type in the ASIN. Just like that. And if it says no results, that means it's 100% search suppressed. Number two is to figure out what is causing the search suppression and can you fix it, right? So if it says this, you can literally click fix search suppression and then you can see what's causing it, right? The inventory, the image. The most common things that are causing a search suppression is going to be the main image. That's pretty much number one. Number two is title, description, and then price. So maybe it's your price is too high or too low, description, keywords, title, keywords, main image is not compliant with Amazon, and that's just how it goes. There's other reasons, but these are the most common. So you need to figure out, okay, what's causing this search suppression? And if you don't, you can move to the next step. There's three different ways to fix a search suppression. We're gonna be going through them very quickly in today's video. So way number one is to simply click fix listing suppression. You're going to click this and then you're going to see, okay, I can put the inventory in, I can upload the image, and then hopefully it'll fix within 24 hours. Now, this only works 50% of the time, and that's why we're going to be moving to step number two. Now, before we go to step number two, I want you to start getting your information. So you need to start taking screenshots. So go to your snipping tool or whatever screenshot tool you use, and you're going to take screenshots that show that it's search suppressed, right? Now this literally shows search suppressed. I'm putting an image there. Then it shows the ASIN and it shows the SKU. So that's one photo we want to take. Here's another photo we want to take if it literally shows how to fix it and that you've tried it and it doesn't work. So we're going to show that as well. And then number three is to also take a screenshot that shows that it's not showing up on Amazon. And this is going to be one of the best screenshots that you can take. This is going to help Amazon do its job a lot faster and get your listing reinstated a lot faster. So get those, and now it's time to contact Amazon. And what we're going to do is contact the right team. So let's say we want to get this listing reinstated. So simply we're going to go to help, and we're going to go to help and resources. And we want to open up a case very quickly for this. And what we're going to do is click my issue is not there. And you're going to say, hi, my listing is search suppressed. Please fix it, right? And you're gonna put your ASIN in there and you're just gonna simply click continue and you're going to click email. Or put the ASIN in right here. Yes, we're having issues with search. We're gonna click yes and we're gonna see if we can get this case open. Yep, create a case. Now, we created a case, and now it's time to update the case with the actual information. So now we're going to click reply email, and now we're going to go in and attach those photos. So first you're going to say, hi, please transfer this to the catalog team. I'm going to say it twice because you want to get in front of the right team. Because this is a catalog issue. All right. So you want to get in front of the right team. If you don't get in front of the right team, this is never going to get resolved, or it's going to take a lot more time than it should, right? And you're going to put your ASIN, you're going to put the SKU, right? And then you're going to say, please see images attached. They show that the listing is suppressed and not searchable for buyers. Right? So you're going to do that, and you're also going to tell them, I also already updated the listing images, pricing, description, and title, it is still not updating after 24 hours. Now you're going to open this up, you're going to click send, and simply you're going to click reply and do a phone call this time. Now, right when you get on the phone, you're going to be in front of seller support. Seller support is not helpful. They're going to try to resolve it themselves, and you want to say, please read my most recent message on the case log. So you're going to do that. You're going to click call me now, and they're going to be like, what's the problem? Say, hey, can you read my most recent message on the case log? And then shut your mouth, right? And then they're going to have to review it. They're going to have to read. And they're going to be like, okay. They're going to see the images attached. They're going to be like, oh my gosh, you said transfer to the catalog team twice. Oh, fine, I'll transfer you. They'll transfer the call to the catalog team. They're going to ask the same issue. Hey, what's the issue? And you're simply going to say, please read my most recent message on the case log. Also, make sure you see the photos attached. They're going to see that. They're going to see the photos attached, and then they're going to know exactly what the issue is. You literally gave them enough information for them to help you resolve this issue. And this is really going to help you resolve this problem very quickly. Now, step number 3 is if it's still not resolved, they may ask you to do an inventory file update. So let's say that the missing image, that's the issue. It's not getting through. It's not getting pushed through. What you can also do is do exactly what I said here. Attach the photos, right? But the only thing you're going to add is a batch ID. So say I already did a batch ID, and you're going to put the batch ID update right here, just to show Amazon that you actually did everything you can. This is pretty much an extra step that you might not need to do, but it could help in getting your issue resolved faster. Now, to do a batch ID inventory file update, you're simply going to go to your catalog. You're going to go to add products via upload. You're going to go to download spreadsheet. You're going to go to get listing loader. You're going to put in your ASIN, and you're going to grab it's going to be an Excel spreadsheet. You get that Excel spreadsheet, and then you're going to put it right into here with the new image, with the updated image. You're going to click check upload status, copy that batch ID, and you're going to put it right into here. And that's going to help Amazon even solve it faster. So then you click send and you do the same exact thing that I already went through, right? This is just an extra step if you want to help it get resolved even faster. At that point, it should be resolved, or Amazon should be able to resolve it. If they don't, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm giving you a little list on the different types of teams at Amazon to get it escalated to. So we got seller support, and seller support is who you initially call. You want to get off the phone with them as quickly as possible and get it escalated to the catalog team. Now, the catalog team can fix the issue 90% of the time. If they can't fix the issue, then you can ask them to escalate it to the captive team. And then once you're at the captive team, you can ask them to escalate it to the leadership team. And again, they have more and more power to help fix your issue. But again, make it as easy as possible. A lot of these teams are lazy, so you need to provide all of the information and screenshots up front. And then you have the brand registry team, and they're pretty much the most powerful team. They can resolve the issue as well. To get into the brand register team, you can ask them to transfer you to the brand register team. I don't really recommend this unless these teams don't work, but you can also contact the brand register team or have a separate case open with the brand register team. And then the executive team, you're not going to want to use unless your account's suspended. And that's pretty much it for today's video. So comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon, drop a like if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel if you are an Amazon seller, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with listing suppression or any type of listing Amazon issue, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, and the link in the description will take you right to our services so you can schedule a call or contact us via our website. Our #1 service is where we'll come in. It's our A to Z account management. We'll optimize your listings, your designs, your images, make sure all of your listings are reinstated, contact Amazon for you, and much, much more. That's our full account management, and that's to help you increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.